shop is your shop. I hope you find what you're looking for.
Hey!
More than anything, I love being a blacksmith. I do hope you find what you're looking for, traveler.
Hey! Me too.
Coming along nicely. I do hope you find what you're looking for, traveler.
Hey! Me too.
Coming along nicely. Still work to be done. Coming along nicely.
You dirty rat. It's my lunchbox.
Sir Blaze, that is extremely impolite. Give the little fellow his lunchbox, please. I am terribly sorry about my dragon. He's a bit out of sorts today. He hasn't had a morsel of dragon food to eat all day.
Do you think if I found him some dragon food, he'd trade it for my lunchbox?
I suppose you should interpret that as a yes.